In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and rename an account in your chart of accounts. Whether you're revamping your bookkeeping structure or simply adjusting a name for consistency, knowing how to navigate these changes can be incredibly helpful. Let's dive right in and simplify the process together. First, you'll want to open your accounting software and locate the chart of accounts. The chart of accounts is essentially the backbone of your financial tracking, listing every category you'll use in your bookkeeping. It's structured to give you insight into the financial activities of your business, so being able to edit or rename accounts is part of keeping everything organized as your business evolves. Once you're in the chart of accounts, take a moment to scan through and identify the specific account you want to edit. This could be anything from an expense to a revenue account. Having a clear idea of your target will make this process seamless and efficient. Next, you'll need to select this account. Usually you can do this by simply clicking on the account name. This action will open a detailed view where further changes can be made. Now let's focus on changing the name of the account. In most accounting systems, this is as straightforward as it gets. You should see an option to edit or rename the account, often represented by an edit button or an icon that looks like a pencil. Click on that and you'll see the name highlighted, ready for your input. Be sure to choose a name that closely reflects the purpose of the account. This not only aids your understanding, but is crucial if others in your organization also access and use this information. After you've typed in the new name, double-check your spelling and ensure it accurately represents what the account is used for. Clarity is key in accounting. They say it's all in the details for a reason. If everything looks good, you're ready to save your changes. Locate the Save button, which is typically at the bottom or top right corner of your screen. Click on it to apply the changes. Saving these changes promptly updates your records, and most systems will confirm that your edits were successful by either returning you to the main chart of accounts dashboard or providing a brief confirmation message. And just like that, you've successfully edited and renamed an account in your chart of accounts. This small adjustment is an excellent way to maintain precise and clear accounting, ensuring your records reflect the reality of your business operations. Remember, keeping your chart of accounts organized will help simplify your financial analysis and reporting in the long term. I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to return to this video whenever you need a quick refresher on managing your financial records more effectively.